go ahead and get started. So for us, you guys know we're going to start out with the Kano, this color right here. So we're going to start by applying that all to our lid. Oh my gosh, the fact that I did not apply any freaking eyeshadow base. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. Boom, that is the base. And then I'm gonna go in with I don't know which color I want to go in with. Let's go in with like this. Let's go in with like this deeper shade right here. I'm trying to think of how I want to do it, but guys for being so quiet. It's just been, I have a lot on my mind, especially trying to get this lash business up and running. So once again, I do apologize for being quiet, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going in with a black from the James Charles palette. Any black will do. I just had that one on hand, so that's what I used. But we want to go in and we want to darken the edges a little bit more. So they're already dark, but we just want to make them a little bit darker. This is going to make that green really, really pop, mama. All right, so now we're going in with the green from the James Charles palette. I don't know what it is about this earthy green type of thing, but it's just my zhush, and I really like that color on my skin tone. Um, so that's where we're gonna go in. We're gonna go right into the center. If you guys do not know, I am attempting to do a halo look. So if it don't come out like a halo, don't come to me in them comments. It is what it is, boo. I tried, okay? Alright, so now I'm going in with just some arts and crafts glitter. This is glitter I got from Michael's. You guys can go anywhere and just get some random glitter and apply it to your lid. It's all the same to me, okay? So, yep, we're just putting that on just to give it a little shimmer shimmer. We're not going to be doing too much, just a little bit.
All right, peeps, here is the finished look.
All right, peeps, so here is the finished look. I apologize again that the video is so short. My mind has been in a different place and I've been really focused on just doing really simple, short tutorials. So yeah, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You've already made it this far, so you might as well subscribe, boo. Let's do it.